Would you look at that? Another beautiful blizzard on this fine morning. Wow, did we get some snow? And yes, there's no shoveling going on here. Accompanied by Stella, of course. She's not thrilled to be here. But good thing is, I'm thrilled to be here, and hopefully you are as well. Because today I wanted to talk about something that, after reading a little bit, I needed to refine myself. Because we all get caught up in the news. We all get caught up with the next flashy thing that's sitting in front of us. And it's about that time, right? Of course, today I'm going to be talking about passing up all those lucrative 100 to 10,000x stocks. And instead focusing, and rather not focusing, on a simple path to wealth. That, of course, is going to be index fund investing. Because, believe it or not, even after just the short years that I've been investing, my true wealth has grown when I put all the BS away. Stop listening to the news. Stop listening to the next YouTuber. Stop listening to buy my course. And then just said, buy some index funds in an account. Forget about it. Dollar cost average every month. Buy another one. Max out your Roth IRA by buying, what do you know, more index funds. And watch it grow. And in that time, maybe, sure, I got to put in a lot more funds than maybe some others, right? Or maybe just the perfect amount for myself. But the truth is, that is what elevated my income. It wasn't buying Tesla stock on a short call, or Tesla stock when it dipped and bought the dip, loaded up and sold. Like, that didn't happen. Instead, I stopped picking individual stocks. I focus on the greater market as a whole, as well as my plans for the future. Index funds, particular for me, I buy a mix between VOO, which is the S&P 500 for Vanguard, and VTI, which is the whole market through Vanguard. I do buy a little bit of the dividend SCHD, not a crazy amount. I just have a DCA, dollar cost average, every single day. Nothing crazy, like I think it's only like $10 a day or something. But that, over the last 3, 4, 5 years, is where my real gains have been coming from. You're also probably thinking, well, putting your money in index funds equals management fees, right? Well, I think those very minimal 0.03% management fees for Vanguard ETF is going to play a small role in my net worth in the future. And being able to live off those funds, probably even in the near future. Now, like I said, it's only been about a few years. I can't imagine what it's going to look like after decades. So my job and your job is to continue to buy those index funds. Continue to dollar cost average. Good news, bad news, guess where you are. Don't matter. Just working and putting that money away. Nesting it. Now here's the other thing with index funds, and specifically more so the Vanguard VOO with the S&P 500. It is focused on the most 500 relevant stocks. It's going to offer the challenge of when the market does crash. Now, for those of you who don't know, the market crashes a major crash every 25 years. So, I think the average life expectancy is like in our 80s, low 80s. Here in the US, at least that's where I'm at currently. That would equate to 3 massive market crashes. And now I'm going to be completely honest here. I was born in 98, so technically I got to see and live through the 08 recession, right? The subprime mortgage, which crashed the market. So I got to live through that. That's technically 1 out of 25 years. And then I'm going to call COVID another catastrophic days for the market, as we saw around like 40 to 50% valuation wiped from the markets within a month period of time. But here I am sitting in 2025, and every single time you look at that graph parabolic in the last 50 years, you barely even notice those dips, and those were market crashes. You're talking 50% valuation marked out of the stock market. Because over the long run, over the long time, it doesn't matter. Here's the other truth. The market always goes up, baby. It only goes up. Look at it. Go look at it. Go look at some charts from the 1920s. From that point forward, the market's only gone up. And I think what's shaping up for the rest of my life is probably the truth as we continue to grow and expand in our economics. So with that being said, I'm gonna continue to dollar cost average, continue to buy my index funds, stop picking the BS latest stock, and we're gonna watch our wealth grow and not touch it either. So hope you found this video informative. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like today's video. We'll see you in our walk in a future one.